was a Dutch fellow lad. He had a small boat called the Elkhound. I used to go out with him regularly and go to the chickens with Juan Clegg, who had a boat called the Scrael. And you pick up knowledge from everybody. And each time I went out, I tried to anticipate where there would be a rock exposed or where it would be dangerous. And I was told areas that you could get inside the tide and places that you couldn't. So the local knowledge was particularly important for the inshore lifeboats, which are on either side of me, simply because you're in shallow water, and the names of the rocks. I had I still have all the names of the rocks from, well, more or less all the way around the southern part of the Isle of Man and Perwick, and that was a big help if there was somebody swept overboard or a diver was missing, or even at night. I can remember one occasion where the coxswain did ask me. He'd been the skipper on the Cuma, the marine biological boat, and he was a superb seaman, but this chap had gone off by the Sugarloaf and dropped into the water or dropped onto the land, we don't know. And he asked me how close he could go. Now, because I had a small boat and people had a small boat, we were often in very close, whereas the lifeboat would have been perhaps in some sort of danger. And I could say to him, from the outside of the Sugarloaf, across to the waterfall at Castrugan at the far end of Baystagger, and we could look in total safety there to see if there was anything in the water. So I think the local knowledge was particularly important, particularly for the coxswains, because the coxswains, I think the ones that were lobster fishermen, had an amazing advantage if they were the right temperament, because they could envisage when the water was slack, when the float, or mollig as we called it, came to the surface, which way it was drifting, whether the tides were, there was a countercurrent, which there is in several places down the coast, and all that gave us a tremendous amount of confidence in the coxswains. And the 4 coxswains that I was involved with as a pure crew member, I had total confidence in their ability, and I never once felt or I could doubt them in any way. And over a service, that proved to be true.